Hello guys, welcome back to our channel One Two Step. In this video, we're going to be teaching you guys on how we can get more characters in Genshin Impact. So to get more characters in Genshin Impact, all you need to do is go to this wish button over here that looks like a star, this one, and you need to wish, and you just need to either press on this one if you have enough intertwined fate. As you can see, I have 13, so I can just press wish for 10 characters. So wait guys, as you can see, you're getting something. You can just skip, and there you go. This is the 4-star item. As you can see, I didn't get any characters, I only got weapons, but you can also get characters. It really depends on your luck. You can get anything. Getting a 5-star character is a rare thing, but you can get 4-star characters in almost every tenfold. As you can see, I can't do it again. I need an additional 7 intertwined fate, and there you go. That's how you get more characters and Genshin Impact. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.